Theta Price Prediction 2021, 2025, 2030, Theta Price Forecast. Theta Past Price Analysis. According to the latest data gathered, the current price of Theta is $5.13 and Theta is currently ranked number 31 in the entire crypto ecosystem. The circulation supply of Theta is 1 billion with a market cap of $5,129,212,339. In the past 24 hours, the crypto has been decreased by -1.65% in its current value. If we compare the current market cap of the Theta with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is also down. Theta is facing a hard time getting on board with other crypto coins. The Theta is down to almost -16% in the last 7 days. The coin is still showing risking framing segments for past few days. The coin might have strong fundamentals, but we don't think that it would a profitable asset in short term. Within the last 1 month, the price of Theta decreased by -23,638%, eliminating a whopping average sum of $1.59 from its current value. This sudden down means that the coin is in dip right now, meaning that it can be a good buy opportunity for quick investment. The 90 days price change is around -40.91% and the price circulated from a minimum average price of $8.52 to maximum average price of $9.50 in the past 90 days. Theta is down by -54.97% with the maximum average price of the coin was around $13.24 and the minimum average price of was around $10.67 in past 4 months. Theta Price Prediction 2021. According to our deep technical analysis on past price data of Theta, in 2021 the price of Theta is predicted to reach at a minimum level of $5.50. The Theta price can reach a maximum level of $5.96 with the average trading price of $5.75. Theta Price Prediction 2022. The price of Theta is predicted to reach at a minimum level of $7.75 in 2022. The Theta price can reach a maximum level of $9.92 with the average price of $8.04 throughout 2022. Theta Price Forecast for 2023 to 2024. As per the forecast price and technical analysis, in 2023 the price of Theta is predicted to reach at a minimum level of $11.59. The Theta price can reach a maximum level of $13.76 with the average trading price of $11.91. The price of 1 Theta is expected to reach at a minimum level of $16.05 in 2024. The Theta price can reach a maximum level of $19.94 with the average price of $16.65 throughout 2024. Theta Price Prediction 2025. Theta price is forecast to reach a lowest possible level of $23.36 in 2025. As per our findings, the Theta price could reach a maximum possible level of $27.98 with the average forecast price of $24.19. Theta Price Prediction 2026. According to our deep technical analysis on past price data of Theta, in 2026 the price of Theta is forecasted to be at around a minimum value of $32. The Theta price value can reach a maximum of $40.66 with the average trading value of $33.48 in USD. Theta Price Prediction 2027. The price of Theta is predicted to reach at a minimum value of $48.74 in 2027. The Theta price could reach a maximum value of $56.54 with the average trading price of $50.08 throughout 2027. Theta Price Prediction / Forecast 2028. As per the forecast and technical analysis, in 2028 the price of Theta is expected to reach at a minimum price value of $68.87. The Theta price can reach a maximum price value of $83.77 with the average value of $71.38. Theta, price prediction 2029. The price of Theta is predicted to reach at a minimum value of $96.90 in 2029. The Theta price could reach a maximum value of $119.83 with the average trading price of $99.75 throughout 2029. Theta price prediction 2030. Theta price is forecast to reach a lowest possible level of $142.78 in 2030. As per our findings, the Theta price could reach a maximum possible level of $167.30 with the average forecast price of $147.77.